Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rianel B. Abelia, an ordinary participant of MMM community from Calbayog City, Western Samar. So first of all, I would like to thank this community for the great opportunity that it offers, and also to Sir Jim Mavrodi for this very great uh, advantage. Okay, so last September 19, I provided help in the amount of 7,000. Then it was followed by another PH of 20,000, this one, last September 29. Okay. Then another 10,000 is provided last October 1, 2015. Then I successfully got help in the amount of 8,000 last October 7. Okay, so this is this one, October 7. So I got help in the amount of 8,000. Then it was followed by a get help in the amount of 13,500 last October 14. So it was successfully done. Then last October 16, I also asked an assistance in the amount of 21,000. So fortunately, there was only one participant assigned to me with the amount of 21,000. So thank you, Miss Maturan Megan Sin, for that help, and to the MMM community. Thank you very much. I really know that together we can change the world. Thank you.